Hi guys, how are you doing? Hoping all is well for you and your loved ones. In case you're new here, hello and nice to meet you. Welcome to this channel. I am Karo Motoa. This is a channel where we discuss healthy living, we prepare delicious recipes and help each other make meaningful lifestyle choices. To my return viewers, thank you very much for your support and for always consuming my content. So guys, in today's video, I am in the kitchen again, and this time around I want to prepare a very delicious recipe, and this is nice soft layered chapatis. I know not everyone likes cooking chapatis because sometimes they don't turn out the best, but in today's recipe, if you follow the steps, it is 100% guaranteed that your chapatis are going to be nice, they're going to be soft and layered. So let's get started. I prefer using hot water. I also have all-purpose baking flour. I love using the ajab type. You put your salt to taste. If you love your chapatis sweetened, sugar. I have a basin and a cooking stick. And of course guys, we are still keeping healthy. I have a glass of juice with me. This is a combination of pineapple, beetroot, lemon and orange. I use 2 cups of hot water. I put my salt to taste. And a half tablespoon of sugar. You stir. I know the amount is good for me because I'm used to making the same amount of sugar and salt. Then we put our flour. You put little by little as you stir, and because the water is hot, that's why I prefer using a cooking stick. Add your flour. This is my way of cooking chapatis. Comment down below and tell me your way of cooking your chapati. The dough is still sticky. We add some more. When the consistency is like this, now with your clean hands, you can continue kneading your dough. Continue kneading until when the dough is not sticky. At this point, you can sprinkle some cooking oil, just little. This is how my dough looks like. They should be able to leave your basin very clean. So we are going to leave it to settle for like 20 minutes. Then we get back. Because the water was hot, we want it to cool down. "30 minutes later, I covered our dough. It has been settling for the last 30 minutes. There are many ways of cutting your dough, but for today I'm going to show you one of the best way that I use most of the time. And you can comment down below and tell me your way of cutting the dough. If you make your dough perfectly, it should not stick on your clean surface. This is one of the ways that I use in making my layers. You can use your brush to sprinkle some cooking oil. You can use your knife to cut or to slice your dough. Do not mind the shape of the dough at this level. I will preheat all of them and then I cook all of them together. Wow, see how they're peeling. So guys, make such chapatis and enjoy with your loved ones at home, and see you in the next video.